From the super-tall, snowy Himalayas where the peaks touch the sky and the air is thin and cold, to the vast, scorching Sahara Desert where the sun beats down mercilessly and the sand stretches as far as the eye can see, our planet is full of amazing and beautiful places. The diversity of landscapes is truly breathtaking, from lush green forests to arid deserts, from towering mountains to deep blue oceans. But some of these places are also super dangerous. These environments can be incredibly harsh and unforgiving, posing serious risks to those who venture into them. From treacherous mountain paths that challenge even the most experienced climbers, to extreme weather conditions that can change in an instant, these places test the limits of human endurance and survival. Let's explore these risky spots and see how beauty and danger can exist together. Join us as we journey through some of the most perilous yet stunning locations on Earth, where nature's splendor and its threats are intertwined in a delicate balance. Death Valley, a desert in California, is known for its extreme conditions. It holds the record for the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth. On July 10, 1913, the temperature soared to a blistering 134 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's rays are so intense that it feels like the ground itself is on fire. Even seasoned adventurers and hikers must take extreme precautions to navigate this harsh environment. Staying hydrated is crucial. Carrying ample water is a must to avoid dehydration. Despite the extreme heat, Death Valley is home to a variety of wildlife that has adapted to survive in such a harsh climate. The flora here is equally resilient, with plants that have evolved to thrive in the scorching temperatures and arid conditions. As the sun sets, the desert transforms, offering a breathtaking view that contrasts sharply with the daytime heat. At night, the sky over Death Valley is a canvas of stars, providing a serene end to the day's extreme conditions. Near Brazil, there's a scary island called Snake Island. This island is not just any ordinary island, it is shrouded in mystery and fear. The locals have many tales about this place, and none of them are pleasant. It's full of one of the world's most poisonous snakes, the golden lance-head viper. These snakes are unique to this island and are known for their deadly venom. The golden lance-head viper is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly with the island's dense foliage. Its bite can make you really sick and can even kill you. The venom is so potent that it can cause severe tissue damage, internal bleeding, and even death within hours if not treated promptly. Every step you take on this island is dangerous. The ground is teeming with these deadly vipers, and one wrong move could be your last. The Brazilian government has even banned visitors to protect both people and the snakes. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia is like another planet. It has hot springs, bubbling mud, and lots of salt. It gets super hot, over 120 degrees, and the ground can be shaky. It's beautiful, but really dangerous. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Lots of people want to climb it, but it's really dangerous. The air is thin, so it's hard to breathe. There are also avalanches and icy falls. Chernobyl had a really bad accident at a power plant. It made the whole area dangerous because of radiation. Even now, it's not safe to go there. It reminds us of how dangerous nuclear power can be. North Sentinel Island is a mysterious island. A tribe lives there and they don't want anyone to visit. The government says no one can go there, so the tribe can live how they want. Lake Natron in Africa is a strange lake. The water is red and can burn your skin. It's a harsh place, but some animals still live there. The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious place in the ocean. Ships and planes have disappeared there and no one knows why. It's a big mystery. The Darien Gap is a jungle between North and South America. It's full of dangerous animals like snakes and jaguars. It's also dangerous because of bad people there. We've seen some of the most dangerous places on Earth. They're scary but also beautiful. Thanks for exploring with me. See you next time.